Hey, Dad,
Hi, Dad.
Mom, and all you people living in warm climates. We're taking a little walk in the snow. Snow isn't too bad. I don't know. What do we got over there, Karen?
I'd say
3 inches? That's
2 or
three.
3. Yeah.
Yeah, 3 inches. Not too bad. But the plow truck is all ready to go. I charged the battery last night. I moved the cars back so I can get the plow and plow all this parking area. It looks like it's starting to really come down heavier, to tell you the truth. It wasn't this bad before. Right, Karen Sniff?
It's definitely getting a little heavier.
So we're taking a walk around to see what's going on in the neighborhood. Luckily, the power is fine.
No wind yet.
No wind yet. We got plenty of bread and milk. Got to get the bread and milk. So there's your update. We'll give you one later. Thanks. Bye.